Hi, welcome to Flower of the Day series. Today's flower is violet rose flower. It is a hybrid flower that is purple in color. We all know roses are the queen of all flowers, which has very gentle energy, very soothing and loving energy. The violet rose is a hybrid one which can also be consumed in the form of tea. Now, close your eyes and take a deep breath. Imagine the violet rose in front of you. The soothing and calming energies of this high vibrational rose helps you feel more calmer, soothes your heart, relieving any form of stress and tension. Bathing in the energies of this violet rose. Feeling so good. This flower essence helps in opening our heart and improving our relationships with ourselves and others. It also helps with developing our intuition. Wonderful. Now take a deep breath and gently open your eyes. Thank you.